Hello, welcome to the fourth of 5 videos that talk about the how and why of using commas in English writing. The other 4 videos I will link to in the description box below. In this video, I'm going to talk about using a comma to join 2 clauses in a complex sentence. We've already looked at joining different clauses in one sentence by using a conjunction. We've used a coordinating conjunction like but, so, or, and we've used an adverbial conjunction like however, therefore, moreover. And in both of those situations, the 2 ideas had equal weight and the comma was used before the coordinating conjunction and after the adverbial conjunction. In this example, we're going to look at how to join 2 clauses without using a conjunction, only using a comma. And the other difference is, as well as not having a conjunction, the sentence does not have 2 equal independent clauses. One clause is a dependent clause and the other clause is an independent one. And these sentences are often started with words like since, while, when, before, etc. There are quite a lot of words that you can use to start this kind of sentence. I think the best thing to do is to have a look at some examples. So, a dependent clause is one that if you take it out of the sentence, it doesn't make sense on its own. You're still waiting for more information. And here are some examples. If you like coffee, what? There's no, you need more information for the sentence to make sense. So if you like coffee, you'll love the cafe scene in Melbourne. There you go. You've added an independent clause. You'll love the cafe scene in Melbourne is an independent clause. It stands on its own. When you visit New Zealand, what? You need to add an independent clause. Make sure you visit the North and South Islands. Before you eat, clearly a dependent clause. On its own, it doesn't give you enough information for it to make sense, so you have to add the independent clause. You need to wash your hands thoroughly, or whatever it is that you want to say. So it's very easy to join a dependent and an independent clause together. You just add a comma. You put the comma directly after the first clause and follow up with the second. Not only is this easy, but this is a good way to show grammatical control and variety of sentence structure knowledge when you are writing in a formal English language exam such as IELTS. Examiners are looking for these kinds of sentences. So this is one of the easiest ways to impress examiners with advanced grammatical knowledge, writing complex sentences. And all you need to do is start off with your dependent clause and then add your independent clause after the comma. Very easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you like this video, please give it a like. Comment if you have something to share, and feel free to subscribe and keep up to date with videos as I post them. Thanks very much for watching, and I will talk to you again in the next video. Bye-bye.